Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Jolton, or near Nashville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Madison and Goodlettsville around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hendersonville and Old Hickory around 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lakewood around 4:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gallatin around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Green Hill, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Cottontown, and Whites Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 203 and 209. Interstate 65 between mile markers 85 and 102. Interstate 24 between mile markers 32 and 49. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.